Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect finishing touch to any room, you're gonna love this Roman shade that I got from Yoolax. This is a smart shade and there are so many different ways to use it. This can be voice activated. Closed shade. It also comes with 2 different kinds of remotes that can control up to 9 shades all at the same time. The light whirl we found to be really aesthetically pleasing, and you can just put it right on the wall next to the shade. This is light filtering in the woven dune color. It fit in perfectly with the beach theme in this spare bedroom. We like to have the top about 3/4 of the way down. This allows for a nice amount of privacy, but lets a good amount of light into the bedroom too, and it's just beautiful. Although we did charge this for 8 hours before use using the cord that came with it, this has a solar panel. So once you do that, it can keep it very charged up, and there's clear instructions on how to do that too. In order to connect the battery to begin with, you do have to remove the front panel, and then you just connect the battery and then snap the panel back into place, and that's on the valance. It's so nice that there's no cords because this makes it very child and pet friendly. You don't have to worry about them getting tangled or possibly pulling the shade down accidentally. I was able to do most of the installation by myself, but I did have a friend help me get it up and put it into place with the brackets, but the installation's a total breeze. Yoolax has a lot of different options to choose from. You are definitely gonna find the right shade for the room that you want it in. We can't recommend them enough, and that's our point of view.